Please take a moment to read the safety cards in the seat pockets and on notices around the outside deck. The next pier is Canary Wharf. Disembark here for the Doubletree Docklands ferry service. When leaving, please ensure you take all your belongings with you. Contactless and Oyster users are reminded to touch out to avoid paying an incorrect fare. This is a safety announcement. Please take a moment to read and familiarize yourself with the safety cards in the seat back pockets. May we also draw your attention to the safety instruction notices posted on the outside deck.